Hi, welcome to Mintera Desktop. Today I'm going to show you how to use Mintera Desktop in a deeper way. First, open Mintera and be sure of reading the small tutorial we prepared for you. It always pops out when you open Mintera. When the logo is gone, you can use the menu on the Tools section at the bottom right corner. The GIF menu section helps you to load GIFs from your PC. There is already a tutorial for this menu. The Sprite GIF section will allow you to set different sprites or GIFs for different actions like dragging, clicking, or grabbing the image. The General menu section will help you to configure different settings for Mintera, like making it run when turning on your PC, opening the GIF Batch Sprite Editor to change their size, colors, or whatever you want to edit from your GIFs, and many other settings that you can try, like the linear sequence player. The Change Layer setting will allow you to keep the image above any window you have, or just to keep it on your desktop. The Sprite GIF selector will let you choose if you want to use a single GIF that you set on the GIF menu, or the deeper configuration that you made on the Sprite GIF section. Let's begin with the Sprite GIF section. Here you can set one or multiple sprites or GIFs for any different interactions with your image. We have 4 different actions: idle, grabbing, moving, releasing. For each action, you can load any GIF or sprite sequence from your PC just by selecting its location. There will be a list with each interaction on the left side showing you how many GIFs or sprites you have loaded for that specific interaction. If you selected more than one GIF for a single action, select it and then configure the sequence you want to see on your loaded images. It goes from 1 to the total number of loaded images. The GIFs don't need further configuration. If you loaded a sprite sheet, probably you're going to need to set the proper size or offset for every frame of the sprite sheet. For that, you can use the Selected Sprite Configuration tab. There, you can set every setting you need, including the time for each frame. Be sure of changing the starting frame to 0 so it can start the loop on the proper frame. If you want to remove a loaded GIF, use the Erase tab while selecting the interaction, and it will remove the last loaded archive. Whenever you're ready with your whole sequences and settings done, open the Mintera menu and go to the General menu section. There, make sure you got the linear sequence player active so it doesn't choose randomly the images for your different interactions. If you want it to be random, then make sure the random sequence setting is active instead of the linear sequence. You're free to choose, just remember to have only one option active. If you liked your configuration, you could export it to a zip file using the Export option in the General menu. Normally, it will be saved in your download folder. This archive can also be shared with your friends if they want to use your setup. Also, if you want to load a previous or shared configuration, you can load it using the Import option in the General menu. Just select the zip file compatible with Mintera, and it will be automatically loaded to your Mintera app. If you want to edit your GIFs or sprites, or even create your own, be sure to use our in-app editor on the General menu. Just select the option, and it will open on your browser a local editor for you to use for free. Be sure to explore its options for your convenience. That is almost everything you need to know about how to use Mintera. Anyway, remember that you can write to our social media in case you have questions. Also, remember to check the resource section every month for free to get new GIFs and images. Be ready for the next update so you can use the new live models with AI. They look awesome.
びっくりしたな、もう。